سلام دوستای عزیز، امیدوارم در هر گوشه ای از دنیا هستید سالم و تندرست باشید. دوباره به چینل خودتان خوش آمدید. در برنامه امروز قصد داریم بخش دوم کلاس را با هم مرور کنیم. Let me ask you a question. Have you already studied something about a positive at a school, university or a learning center? درباره پازیتیو ها چیزی شنیده اید؟ Did you study about the time we are able to eliminate the related pronouns through the adjective clause? If not, please watch this video up to the end and you will understand a lot of new information. اگر برای بار اول است با چینل ما معرفی میشین و ویدیوهای ما رو ببینین، فراموش شما نشه برای حمایت ما چینل یوتیوب ما رو سابسکرایب، لایک و کلید زنگوله رو فشار بدید. Do not forget to share to your close friends, the ones you really love the most. این کار شما برای اونا کمک خواهد کرد اونا هم از فرصت استفاده کرده و انگلیسی بخوانن. Now, let's go forward and understand what are the positives, adverb clause, and many other information that is really important. Let's begin with adjective clause. آیا با adjective clause ها آشنایی دارید؟ اگر جواب شما نخیر و جواب شما نه است، طبیعتاً پیشنهاد میکنم ویدیوی قبلی رو ببینین و بعدش بیاین این ویدیو رو ببینین. به خاطر از اینکه اطلاعات مهم در اونجا ذکر شده، adjective clause تعریف شده، انواع adjective clause بحث شده، چگونگی و تفاوت میان انواع adjective clause ها مورد بررسی قرار گرفته و گوش کردن و تماشا کردن او ویدیو برای شما بسیار ضروری است. If you watched the previous video, that is the time to go forward. ما آمدیم adjective clause ای رقم تعریف کردیم، مجموعه از کلماتی که برای توصیف یک اسم استفاده بشه. So that is called adjective clause. حالا در adjective clause ها ما میتونیم related pronoun را حذف کنیم. related pronoun ها کدام بود؟ 5 دانه بود. Who, whom, which, that, whose. میتونیم همین 5 دانه را ذکر نکنیم. من یک مثال با related pronoun ها میسازم، یک مثال بدون related pronouns ها میسازم که دوستا متوجه شه و چی رقم است. Ali, who's learning English, is my brother. Ali, learning English is my... من دو دانه مثال میسازم دوستان متوجه شود. یک جمله با adjective clause که حاوی related pronoun هست، یک جمله که حاوی related pronoun نیست. Ali, who's learning English, is my brother. Ali, learning English, is my brother. در این جمله ما آمدیم who is eliminate کردیم. So, این حال باید ما متوجه شویم we are able to eliminate the related pronouns in the two times. First, when an adjective clause is used within the structure with the to be verbs as a helping verb, like who is, like who was, of course you are able to eliminate both the related pronoun and to be verb. I'm going to provide you some more examples to let you guys better understand what I mean. For example, our new manager who's making new law for the company is a serious man. این حال من اگر ایره بیام related pronounش حذف کنم این رقم میشه. Our new manager making new policies, new laws for the company is a serious man. خب این حال ما که آمدیم related pronoun را حذف کردیم enemy making new law for the company از نگاه گرامری همین رو چی میگن؟ That is called a positive. So now I'm going to explain you what is a positive. A positive could be group of words like a phrase which is used to modify a noun. That is called a positive. Many grammarians believe that a positive could be group of words like a phrase, like adjective phrase, which is used to modify a noun or a pronoun. That is called a positive. اپازیتیو ها مجموعی از کلماتی هستند که ساختار گرامری منظم ندارند. ساختار منظم به معنای اینکه حاوی فاعل، حاوی فعل نیست. مجموعی از کلمات وصفی است که برای توصیف یک اسم و برای توصیف یک ضمیر استفاده میشه. That is called a positive. So, the second time that we can eliminate the related pronouns within an adjective clause is when you're making an adjective clause as a not restrictive. زمانی که شما از adjective clause ها بیاین non-restrictive و non-defining adjective بسازین، اونو زمان هم شما میتونین related pronoun را حذف کنین. For example, Ashraf Ghani, who was the president of Afghanistan, lives in Dubai. You can say Ashraf Ghani, Afghanistan president, or the ex-president of Afghanistan lives in Dubai. You can easily and immediately drop and eliminate the related pronouns within non-restrictive adjective clause. خب خیلی خوب. از adjective clause ها دوستای عزیز ما و شما خلاص میشیم. چرا؟ چون تمام جزئیات adjective clause با هم مرور کردیم. باز هم اگر سوال بر شما هست و موضوع رو نفهمیدین و دقیق درک نکردین، please write it down within the comments below. I'm going to read them within the immediate time. I would reply and I would respond to you guys. Now, this is a time to go for the adverb clause. حالا سراغ adverb clause بریم. یک مرحله جلوتر. Adjective clause خلاص شد. So, when we are studying dependent clause or subordinate clause, there are three parts and there are three classifications under the name of dependent clause. Or it's better to say, dependent clause classifies into three classifications. First, we've got adjective clause. Second, we've got adverb clause. While the third one is the nominal clause. بخش اول خلاص، بخش دوم adverb clause است. So, a very common question is, what is adverb clause? Adverb clause could be a group of words containing subject and verb. Functions like an adverb. Functions like a simple adverb. So, you might ask me the question, what is adverb? An adverb is a word which is used to modify a verb, and emphasizes an adjective and another adverb. That's going to be the very fundamental definition for an adverb. قیدها کلماتی هستند که برای توصیف فعل استفاده میشه. یکی حرف میزنه، چگونه حرف میزنه. یکی نان میخوره، چگونه نان میخوره. If we're going to use a word to modify a verb, اسم نه، فعل. اگر یک کلمه برای توصیف فعل یک کار استفاده بشه، ما برش میگیم قید. حالا مجموعه از کلمات حاوی فاعل و حاوی فعل اگر بیاید دقیقاً همین وظیفه یک adverb ساده را انجام بده، that is the time we can call an adverb clause. حالا برای شما یک مثال میسازم که دوستا متوجه شن یک adverb با یک adverb clause چه تفاوتی داره. She is learning English at TOEFL Club. She is learning English at TOEFL Club. قیدی که در اینجا جمله استفاده شده تافل کلوب است. تافل کلوب نام یک مرکز آموزشی است. به خاطر توصیف فعل استفاده میشه و موقعیت انجام همون آموختن را بیان میکنه. That is an adverb. و یک اسم است. و ما برش میگیم adverb place. اینا اگر این جمله رو ما بیایم این رقم بسازم. She is learning English where I am the manager. So, where I am the manager, it's going to be a group of words containing subject, which is I, verb, which is am, and we have the complement of the sentence as well. اینجا ما خود تکمیل کننده هم داریم. یعنی این مجموعه از کلمات باز هم دال برامو چی میکنه؟ دال بر موقعیت یا برای از استفاده میشه که موقعیت آموزش و موقعیت فعل رو بیان کنه. That's called the adverb clause of place. ما برش میگیم قید یا کلازهای مکانی. Adverb clause of place. So, adverb clause classifies into many parts and classifications. So, let's understand them. Adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of contrast or concessive, conditional clause. These are all parts and classifications of adverb clause that we are going to study one by one. دوستای عزیز، انواع قیدها به کاتگوری‌های متفاوت تقسیم میشه. به خاطر از اینکه بحث کلازها یک بحث بسیار اساسی است، تمام بحث‌های کلازها در یک سشن گنجانیده نمیشه و ممکن هم نیست. به او خاطر در سشن‌های متفاوت تقسیم میکنیم. دنبال کننده کلازها حتما باشید تا یک نالج خوبی از گرامر و کلازها را داشته باشید. So, we're going to study adverb clause of time and adverb clause of place within this session, and the rest will be taught within the other sessions. Adverb clause of time. What is adverb clause of time? Adverb clause of time is group of words begin with time markers. Adverb clause of time مجموعی از کلماتی است که با تایم مارکرها شروع میشن. Time markers, what are time markers? When, while, whenever, before, after, till, until, or many other words that we have. اگر مجموعی از کلماتی که حاوی فاعل و فعل باشه با کلمه when شروع شده باشه. When I go home, before you came here, after she went home. Many other examples. Whenever you come here. این مجموعه از جملات درباره زمان صحبت میکنه، یا به شکل مشخص یا به شکل نامشخص، و بیان کننده زمان وقوع یک عمل است. That is called an adverb clause of time. ما برش میگیم adverb clause of time. Let me provide you some examples to help you better understand the adverb clause of time. So, she had learned English. She had learned English before her father came. Before her father came. اینمی جمله را شما با یک adverb ساده هم میتونین بیان کنین. به طور مثال شما میتونین بگین که she learned English 3 years ago. She learned English 4 years ago. But if you want to make it more clarified, you can say she had learned English before her father came. So, one more example. I become happy whenever I visit you, whenever I see you. من هر زمانی که تو رو میبینم خوشحال میشم. Another example. She will continue her education abroad until she graduates from the university. Until she graduates from the university. So, that is called an adverb clause of time. To help you better understand the details of adverb clause of time, I better tell you what is the difference between when and whenever. When is specifically indicating to a time, whenever is used for a non-specific time. That is the difference between when and whenever. What is the difference between when and while? So, when and while are indicating to specific time, but with a little bit difference. The difference is this, that when is really general word. We can use when within the past tenses, for the present tenses, and for the future. While the word while is specific and limited. We are not able to use the word while everywhere we like, or wherever we like. So, While, it's going to be used within the past progressive or past continuous and past perfect continuous tense instead of the word when. باشه که برای شما اینجا یک مثال بسازم که واضحش کنم. من در زمان گذشته، در زمان حال و در زمان آینده اگر بخوایم درباره زمان صحبت کنم طبیعتاً از when استفاده میکنم. مثلا فرض کنین که I buy new clothes when I have money for the present time. For the future, I will call you when I arrive at home. For the future. درباره گذشته هم I saw him when I was on the street. I saw him when I was on the street. ولی اگر من بهم در زمان گذشته جاری و در زمان گذشته کامل جمله بسازم و دال بر زمان بکنه طبیعتاً از while به جای when باید استفاده کنم. به طور مثال I had been learning English or I had learned English while you were working in that company. ببینید ما زمان گذشته جاری را استفاده کردیم با while. Or if I'm going to make you another example within the past perfect continuous tense, while I had been learning English, she was in abroad. She was in the US. That's going to be the way that we're going to use the word while within the English sentences. So, another type of adverb clause that we've got in English, it's called adverb clause of place. What is adverb clause of place? Adverb clause of place could be a group of words containing subject and verb and begins with place marker. مجموعی از کلمات که حاوی فاعل و فعل است و با مکان و با مارکرهای مکان شروع بشه و دلالت و معین کننده مکان وقوعی یک عمل است. It begins with where, it begins with wherever. برای از که واضح برای شما شود let me make you an example. Kabul, where my father was living, is the capital of Afghanistan. Or we can say many students studying English at TOEFL Club, where it locates in Herat. تعداد زیادی از مردم و دانشجویان در تافل کلوب درس میخوانند. جایی که یا مکانی که در هرات موقعیت داره. So that's going to be the way that we're going to use the adverb clause of place. رسیدیم به آخر برنامه. از تک شما دوسته عزیز سپاسگزاری میکنم اینکه تا آخر برنامه ما رو همراهی کردید. If you think our programs help you guys learn English, do not forget to share it to your friends. به خاطری که به اشتراک گذاشتن به دوستایتان بدون شک بر اونا یک محبت است. بر اونا این فرصت رو شما مهیا میکنن که اونا هم بتانن انگلیسی یاد بگیرن. Wish you all the best. Goodbye.